Good morning, children. Already previous class we have discussed the 2.1 exercise and 2.2 exercise. 2.1 exercise, that is what is the variable, what is the constant, what is the degree of the polynomial, what is monomial, binomial, trinomial, and etc. Next in second exercise, next 0 of the polynomial. Next find out the p of x equal to some polynomial is given. Find the p of 1, p of 2, and so on. Next based on third exercise, that is dividing the polynomials. You know division 5 divided by 2. Therefore here 5 2. Here 2 how many times in 5? That is 2 times 2 2 yeah, that is 4. Here 1. Here 1 is the remainder. Here 2 is the quotient, and this 2 is divisor. Here this is dividend. Here based on this dividend equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. See here dividend equal, that is 5 equal to divisor is, that is 2. 2 into 2 plus 1. Here 5 equal 2 into 2, that is 4 plus 1, that equal to 5. Here also same in polynomials, that is also here in place of dividend we have to take, that is p of x. Here divisor equal, that is g of x into quotient, that is q of x. Here remainder, that is r of x. That is the division algorithm. Here this is called p of x. Here g of x. This is q of x. This is r of x. R means remainder, q of x means that is quotient. Here that is divisor. This is dividend. Therefore p of x equal to g of x into q of x plus r of x. Suppose x square minus 2x plus 2 is divided by some x plus 1 or x minus 1. Here see, this is a dividend, this is divisor. Therefore x square minus 2x plus 2, here x minus 1. Here see, here x square minus 2x plus 2, here decrease 2, here x minus divisor decrease 1. Therefore first x square is there here. X square by x. Here 1x get cancelled, therefore remaining is 1 more x. Therefore that is the quotient. Here write quotient, that is x. Here x into x, that is x square. Here minus 1 into x, that is minus x. Here sign change, therefore here minus is, that is plus. Here x square minus x square both are get cancelled. Here minus 2x plus x, that is minus x plus. Here see, here degree is 1, here also degree is 1. Here quotient is minus x, here minus 1, here quotient is 1. Therefore minus x by x get cancelled, that is minus 1. Here write minus 1. Minus 1 into x, that is minus x. Here minus 1 into minus 1, that is plus 1. Here also subtract, that is sign will change, plus minus. Minus x plus x both are get cancelled. Here 2 minus 1, that is the 1. Here degree is 0, here degree is 1. Therefore the process is end. This is the remainder. This is the quotient. This is divisor. This is dividend. Therefore same, dividend equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. Therefore x square minus 2x plus 1 equal to x minus 1 into x minus 1 plus 1. Here total multiply. Therefore x square minus 2x plus 1 plus 1. Therefore x square minus 2x plus here is 2, sorry. Here both are equal, yes. Here dividend equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. Therefore, that is the division algorithm. This is called division algorithm. Division algorithm. Division algorithm is nothing but dividend equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder in polynomials p of x equal to g of x into q of x plus r of x. R of x means that is remainder. Here g of x into q of x. Q means that is quotient. Here g means divisor. Here p of x means that is the dividend. Okay, this is the division. First we have to take x square by x. That is the x. That is the quotient. Here quotient is right here x. Here x into multiply these two elements. Therefore x into x right here x square minus 1 into x, that is minus x. Here subtraction. Therefore sign will change. Here plus is there, that is minus. Here minus is there plus, and x square minus x square both are get cancelled. Minus 2x plus x. Therefore that is minus x plus 2. Here minus x, here plus x is there. Therefore minus x by x, that is cancellation. Therefore minus 1. Therefore that is simplify. You get this one. Yeah, next one is the remainder theorem. Remainder theorem, this is very important statement. Remainder theorem. If p of x is a polynomial of degree greater than or equal to 1, that is greater than or equal to p of x degree, that is greater than, that is 1 or greater than 1, that is 2 also. Therefore A is a real number if p of x is divided by the linear polynomial x minus a, then the remainder is p of a. Here see, if p of x is a polynomial of degree greater than or equal to 1, if a is a real number, if p of x is divided by the linear polynomial of x minus a, then the remainder is p of, here suppose x square minus 2x plus 1 is divided by x minus 1, then remainder equal to dash. Then remainder is dash. Here see, here this is a polynomial p of x. Here x square minus 2x plus 1. We have to do normal division or directly substitution. Here that is divided by x minus 1. Therefore x is replaced by 1. P of 1, that equal to 1 whole square minus 2 into 1 plus 1. 1 square, that is 1 minus 2 plus 1. Therefore 1 plus 1, that is 2 minus 2, that equal to 0. Remainder is 0. Otherwise you have to normal method. Therefore x square minus 2x plus 1. Therefore x minus 1. Here degree is 2, here degree is 1. Therefore x square by x, that is cancellation, 1 time x. Here write x into x, that is x square minus x. Here minus plus, both are get cancelled, minus x plus 1. Here minus x by x get cancelled, that is minus 1. Here minus 1. Here minus 1 into x, that is minus x. Minus into minus, that is plus 1. Here subtraction, plus minus, both are get cancelled, that is 0. Here remainder is 0. This method also you get any method you get answer is same only. Therefore remainder theorem. If p of x is a polynomial of degree greater than or equal to 1, that is symbol greater than or equal to 1. If a is a real number or if a is any real number, if p of x is divided by the linear polynomial that is degree is 1, that is x minus, then the remainder is p of a. Remainder is p of a. This is the example. Therefore, based on this, do it. That is exercise 2.3 is based on division algorithm or dividing polynomials and first question, find the remainder. Find the remainder when x cube minus x cube plus 3x square plus 3x plus 1 is divided by the following linear polynomial. That is first one is x plus 1, second one is x minus 2, x minus 1 by 2, third one is x. Here see, find the remainder when x cube plus 3x square plus 3x plus 1 is divided by the polynomial, that is linear polynomial, that is x plus 1, x minus 1 by 2, x. Here first given polynomial, that you have to take p of x equal, that is x cube plus 3x square plus 3x plus 1. Here x cube degree equal how much? That is degree is 3. Here first one, that is x plus 1. Here x plus 1, therefore x is replaced by minus 1. Why? Here x plus 1 equal to 0, therefore x equal to minus 1. Substitute here p of minus 1, that equal to minus 1 whole cube plus 3 into minus 1 whole square plus 3 into minus 1 plus 1. Here minus 1 whole power, that is odd number is there, therefore total value are minus 1 into minus 1 into minus 1, that is minus 1 only. Next minus 1 whole power 2, that is even number, therefore that is 3. Here 3 into minus 1, that is minus 3 plus 1. Here 3 and minus 3 get cancelled, minus 1 plus 1, both are get cancelled, total remainder is 0. P of minus 1 equal to that is 0. That is exactly divisible. Next one is second one. In this x minus 1 by 2, therefore x equal to 1 by 2 substitution. P of 1 by 2. Here substitution here, that equal to 1 by 2 whole cube plus 3 into 1 by 2 whole square plus 3 into 1 by 2 plus 1. Here 1 by 2 whole cube, that is 1 by 2 into 2 into 2, therefore that is 1 by 8 plus 1 by 2 whole square, that is 3 into 1 by 4 plus 3 by 2 plus 1. Here total simplify, therefore LCM is 8. Here 8 in 8, that is 1 time, 1 into 1, that is 1 plus here 4 into 8, that is 2 times, 2 into 3, that is 6. Here 2 in 8, that is 4 times, 4 into 3, that is 12. Here by 1, here 1 in 8, that is 8 times, 8 into 1, that is 8. That is total 27 by 8, that is P of 1 by 2. Okay, see one more time. Here x plus 1, that is here x plus 1 equal to 0, therefore x equal to minus 1. X equal to minus 1 substitution here. P of minus 1, that is minus 1 whole cube plus 3 into minus 1 whole square plus 3 into minus 1 plus 1. Here minus 1 whole power 3, that is minus 1 only. Minus 1 whole square, that is whole power even number, that is plus 1. 3 into plus 1, that is 3 only. Here 3 into minus 1, that is minus 3 plus 1. Get cancelled all 0. Therefore P of minus 1 equal to 0. Next one is x minus 1 by 2. X minus 1 by 2 equal to 0. X equal to 1 by 2. X equal to 1 by 2 is substitution here. That is 1 by 2. 1 by 2 whole cube plus 3 into 1 by 2 whole square plus 3 into 1 by 2 plus 1. 1 by 2 whole cube, that is 1 by 2 into 1 by 2 into 1 by 1, that is 1 by 8. 1 by 2 whole square, that is 3 into 1 by 4 plus 3 into 1 by 2 plus 1. 1 plus 6, here LCM 8. 8 in 8, that is 1 time 1 into 1, that is 1. 4 in 8, that is 2 times 2 into 3, that is 6. Here 2 in 8, that is 4 times 4 into 3, that is 12. Next 1 in 8, that is 8 times, that is 8. Add all 1 plus 6 plus 12 plus, that is 27 by 8. Next last one is x. Last one is third one, that is x. Here x means, that is x equal to 0. Substitution p of 0. Therefore 0 whole cube plus 3 into 0 whole square plus 3 into 0 plus 1. Total 0 whole cube, that is 0, 0, 0, 1. Total value p of 0 equal to, that is 1. This is the remainder. Remainder is 1, 27 by 8. First one is, that is this is the total. Here x means, that is x minus 0. Therefore x equal to 0 only. Only x is given, compulsory substitution 0 only. Remaining x minus 1 by 2. That is suppose here plus is given, x value substitution, that is minus 1 by 2. Next is second question. Second question, find the remainder. Find the remainder when x cube minus px square plus 6x minus p is divided by x minus p. Yeah, see, here find the remainder when x cube, here degree is 3. Therefore given polynomial that is p of x, that equal to x cube minus px square plus 6x minus p. Here what is given is divided by x minus p. Therefore p of x is divided by x minus p. Here x minus p equal 0, x equal to how much? That is p only. Therefore in place of x substitute p of p. Therefore polynomial. Therefore p whole cube minus p into p whole square. Next 6 into p minus p. Here p cube, p whole cube, that is p cube. Here p square into p, that is p power 3. Next 6p minus p. Here p cube minus p cube, both are get cancelled. Here 6p minus p, that is 5p. Therefore remainder equal to, that equal to 5p. One more time, see. Here given polynomial, that is x cube minus 3px square plus 6x minus p. This polynomial is divided by x minus p. X minus p equal to 0, x equal to p. Here x is replaced by p. P of p, that equal to p whole cube minus p into p whole square plus 6 into p minus p. Therefore p of x is divided by x minus p. P of p equal to p cube minus p into p square plus 6 into p minus p. Here p cube minus p cube plus 6p minus p. Therefore 5p. Next one. Fifth question. If the polynomial 2x cube ax square plus 3x minus 5 and x cube plus x square minus 4x plus a leaves the same remainder when divided by x minus 2. Find value of e. Here see, here if the polynomial 2x cube plus ax square plus 3x minus 5 and x cube minus x square minus 4x plus a leaves the same remainder when divided by x minus 2. Find the value of. Here given polynomials, two polynomials is given. Given polynomial or polynomials p of x equal to, that is 2x cube plus ax square plus 3x minus 5 and g of x equal to x cube plus x square minus 4x plus a. These two polynomials leaves the same remainder when divided by x minus 2. Therefore p of x and g of x is divided by x minus 2 leaves same remainder. Here same remainder means here divided by x minus 2 means that is x equal to x minus 2 equal 0, x equal to 2. Substitute here x equal to, here also x equal to, that is both are also equal. Therefore p of 2 equal to g of 2. Here remainder means what? P of 2 equal to g. Here remainder is p of 2, here also g of 2. P of 2 means here substitute here 2 into 2 whole cube plus a into 2 whole square plus 3 into 2 minus 5 equal to 2 whole cube plus 2 whole square minus 4 into 2 plus a. Here 2 cube, that is 2 into 2 into 2, that is 8, 8 into 2, that is 16. Next one is here 2 square, that is 4a, here 6 minus 5 equal to 2 cube, that is 8, 4 minus 8 plus 8. Here 16 plus 6, that is 22, 22 minus 5, that is 17 plus 4a. Here 8, 8 get cancelled, 4 plus a. Here this a is changing this side, this 17 is changing this side. 4a, this a is changing this side, that is minus a equal to 4. This 17 is changing this side, that is minus 17. Here 4a minus a, that is 3a equal to 4 minus 17, that is minus 13. Therefore a equal to minus 13 by 3. Therefore a equal to minus 13 by 3. Therefore here p of x and g of x divided by x minus 2. Therefore leaves the same remainder. Otherwise not equal. Here one more time see. Here two polynomials is given, that is leaves the same remainder when divided by x minus 2. Find the values of a. Given polynomial p of x is given, that is 2x cube plus ax square plus 3x minus 5. Here g of x equal to x cube plus x square minus 4x plus a. Here p of x and g of x is divided by x minus 2, leaves the same remainder. Therefore p of 2 equal to g of 2. Therefore substitute in place of x, substitute 2. 2 into 2 whole cube plus a into 2 whole square plus 3 into 2 minus 5, that equal to 2 whole cube plus 2 whole square minus 4 into 2 plus a. Here simplify 2 cube into 2, that is 16, 2 square, that is 4a, 3 into 2 6 minus 5. Here 2 cube 8, 2 square 4, 4 into 2 a minus 8 plus a. Minus 8 plus a get cancelled, remaining all simplify better. Here 17a plus 4a equal to 4 plus a. 4a minus a equal to 4 minus 17. 4 minus a, that is both are like terms, therefore that is 3a. 4 minus 17, that is 13. A equal to minus 13 by 3. Here, seventh one. Find the remainder when f of x equal to, that is x power 4 minus 3x square plus 4 is divided by g of x, that equal to x minus 2, and verify the result by actual division. Here given polynomial, first one, given polynomial, that is f of x equal to, that is x power 4 minus 3x square plus 4. Here p of x, f of x is divided by g of x, that equal to x minus 2. Therefore here x minus 2 equal 0, therefore x equal to, therefore f of 2 value find out. F of 2 equal, that is 2 whole power 4 minus 3 into 2 whole square plus 4. Here 2 power 4, that is 16. Here 2 square, that is 4. 4 into 3, that is 12 plus 4. Here 4, 16 plus 4, that is 20. 20 minus 12, that equal to 8. Therefore remainder equal to 8. Remainder equal to 8. Therefore here given polynomial f of x is given. F of x is divided by g of x, that equal to x minus 2. Therefore f of 2 equal to 2 power 4 minus 3 into 2 whole square plus 4. Therefore 16, 2 power 4, that is 16. Here 2 square 4, 4 into 3 12 plus 4, 16 plus 4 20, 20 minus 12, that is 8. Therefore remainder is 8. Here and verify the result by actual division. Actual division, that is a normal division. Here see, x power 4 is given. Here x cube term is not given and x square. Therefore here x power 4, here plus or minus what are x cube minus 3x square plus 0 into x plus 4. Therefore here x minus 2. X minus 2. Here x power 4, degree 4 is given. Here degree x is given. X power 4 divided by x, that is x cube. Here write quotient, that is x cube. X cube into x, that is x power 4 minus 2 into x square, that is minus 2x cube. Here subtraction, minus plus, these two are get cancelled. 2x cube minus 3x square. Here degree 3, degree 1, therefore x cube by x, that equal to x square. Here write x square, that is plus x square, that is 2 also their quotient, that is 2x square, that is 2x square. 2x square into x, that is 2x cube minus 2x into, that is minus 4x square minus plus here x square, here minus 3x square plus 4x square. Next 0 into x plus 4. Here degree is x square, here degree is x, therefore x square by x, that is x square by x means, that is x. Here write x. Here x square minus 2x, here minus plus 2x plus 4. Here degree 1 is there, here also degree 1, here quotient 2 is there, therefore 2x by x, that equal to x get cancelled, that is 2. Here write 2 plus 2. Here 2 into x, that is 2x. 2 into minus 2, that is minus 4. Here minus plus, these two are get cancelled 4. This is the remainder. Here normal division also remainder 8. Here one more method, that is both are equal. Therefore here again see normal division. Here write x power 4. Here x cube term is not there. Therefore 0 into x cube minus 3x square is given. Here x term also not there. 0 into x plus 4. Here 0 into x cube, that is 0 only. 0 into x, that is also 0. Otherwise here confusion, here 2x cube is right here only. So that's why we are adding both. So otherwise here compulsory write this one. Here x cube term is not there. Therefore that is in place of x cube 0 into x cube. Here x term is not there. 0 into x right. Here x minus 2. Here degree is 4. Here degree is 1. Therefore x power 4 by x, that is x cube. Quotient is x cube. X cube into x, that is x power 4. Here minus 2 into x cube, that is minus 2x cube. Subtraction minus plus both are get cancelled. Here 0x cube plus 2x cube, that is 2x cube. Next write minus 3x square. Here degree is 3. Here degree is 1. Here quotient is 2. Here quotient is 1. That is 2x cube by x, that is 2x square. Right quotient 2x square. 2x square into x, that is 2x cube minus 4x square multiply. Therefore subtraction both are get cancelled. Minus 3x square plus 4x square, that is x square, plus right 0 into x. Here degree is x 2, here degree is 1. Therefore quotient is 1. Here also quotient is 1. X square by x, that is 1x get cancelled. One more x is there. X here write down. Here x into x, that is x square. X into minus 2, therefore minus 2x. Subtraction here also minus plus. Here my x square minus x square both are get come 0 into x plus 2x. Therefore 2x. Next 4 as you write down. Here degree is 1. Here also degree is 1. Here quotient is 2 is there. Here quotient is 1. Therefore 2x by x, that is 2 is there. Here write quotient 2. Therefore 2 into x, that is 2x. Here 2 into minus 2, that is minus 4. Here subtraction minus 2 plus 2. Otherwise here also, here arrow symbols also write down. This one, here this one. Okay. Therefore here also remainder is 80. Here also remainder is same. Both are same. We are asking to verify result by actual division only. This is direct method. This is the normal division only. Okay. Thank you.